threading it from behind here. It's silly. Oh no! Also, I forgot to tell you. I have to. On this side, there's a thread holder. When you go through this loop here under, and then you go one circle around the thread holder and pull it in there. And then you have to put the thread through here under the needle. To the other side, it's easier from this side. And then you have to thread it from behind. It's not easy. I'm just wasting your time here. It takes a long time to thread it. I was thinking I could thread it from the front, release the needle, and then turn the needle around. I think that would be more easy. Then there, I made it. And now here we go again. Too much light. It's working. Oh. If you can see, maybe I can show you the underside. Maybe you cannot see it. You see it? No. There you see it. The underside is loops that go into each other. It's a clever system. It's a clever system. Let's see. And this one is just lying here. Yeah, it's working. It's working. It works. This is the first video on YouTube about this machine. Made by yours truly. And it works. I'm surprised I made it work. I thought it would be some bad machine, not properly designed. If you Google this easy stitch, you can find only one advertisement on some crazy French site. Very excited advertisement. I guess it must be old.